outpatient benefits package for mental health, it is a benefits package po. Dati kasi, what we cover is under the all case rate lang for admission. For those who are needing, na hindi nangangailangan ng admission, this benefits package, ito yung applicable for them. The coverage of the mental health, there's two sub-benefits package for the mental health. One is the general mental health service package. The amount po is 9,000 per person per year. Ang kasama doon ay assessment, mga basic laboratory and diagnostic tests. Meron din siyang component ng 12 follow-up consultation plus yung mga psycho-education and psychosocial support. Now, yung mga gamot, naka-anchor pa siya sa Department of Health under the Medicine Access Program ng Mental Health o yung MHPA. And then for the second benefits package is the Specialty Mental Health Benefits Package. Ang amount niya ay 16,000 per person per year. So kasama doon is assessment by specialist. When we say specialist, ito po yung mga psychiatrists, mga neurologists, or psychologists. And then meron din siyang kasamang mga labs and diagnostic tests for specialists. May kasama siyang mga 12 follow-up consultation by specialists. Plus, kung kailangan niya ng psycho-education, psychosocial support, plus psychotherapy.